Hey guys, my name is Crazy Ace, and today I'm gonna be building my first ever. Are you serious? I'm gonna be building my first ever gaming PC. I'm gonna be building my first ever gaming PC. So I'm gonna go over the parts, and then I'm gonna cut to the next scene. Sound good? Cool. So for my motherboard, I've decided to go with the Asus Prime Z370A by Asus. For the processor, I've decided to go with the Intel Core i7 870K processor, 8th gen of course. For the storage, I have decided to go with a 2 terabyte Iron Wolf hard drive, but I also have this PNY 240 gig SSD for the processor, for the stuff, For the memory, I got the Corsair Vengeance LPX 16 GB, two 8 GB cards. For the graphics card, or the video card, whichever one you prefer, I decided to go with a Zotac GeForce GTX 1070. And for the cooler, I went with the Corsair Hydro H100i Pro. And for the power supply, I decided with this Corsair CX 750mm 750-watt cooler. And lastly, the case, I decided to go with the Roswell. Well, it's a Roswell case. I don't know what it's actually called, but that's it. So, next scene.